this video, I am going to show you how to change your images now that you have uploaded them to your media library. So it's really super simple. There's two different ways. If you want to click on your canvas and you can literally just click this button here and add an image this way, add it to your page, and you can place it wherever you'd like. You can use this area. You can use the points to move it as you wish. You can turn it if you like. You can change the positioning here, the size. So if you want it to be stretched, you can, stretch it out like so. If you want to contain the image, that means it'll keep it at the dimensions. If you want to fill it, so fill your box a certain way like that. And if you want to scale it, it will work like so. I like to use contain, and we're gonna put that back as is. You can also size and position it here, but I like to use the controls manually like so. All right, but we are going to delete this image, and I'm going to show you another way to add in images if there are images already in your template, which there are. So the image here, you're going to click on it here, just double click, and then you're going to pick your image, and there you go. It automatically replaces where it was. So the great thing about that with a template is it will embed the image in the same place for mobile. So you don't have to design it separately. You might need to tweak it a little bit. Obviously, like we're gonna lower that a little bit. We might want to move the text a little bit more up there. We're going to move this over a little bit just because the dimensions are slightly different, but that is how easy it is to change images. So let's use an example here. We'll do the services one. So we're just going to, again, double click on there, and we're going to pick an image. That one's very purple. Let's pick this one just to change it up, give some contrast, and we'll change this one as well. Let's see, what do we want to do? Maybe we'll just add in some flowers. Actually, let's do the brighter flowers there. You can change things up as much as you like. Let's do that. Okay, so there you have your images changed. It's super simple, and you can see that it reflects the changes in the way that everything has been already styled for you in mobile if you're changing it that way, which is much easier than doing it another way. I'll also show you how to change out your logo. So we're going to go into our header area. You can upload your logo as a PNG or as an SVG file. So we're going to go here, and we're just going to switch that out. Super simple. That's it. We're going to go back to our home, and look how easy it is. We're already looking so much different. We've already implemented a lot of our images. Let's do another one for fun. Let's add this one to our section. We're just going to scroll down just to make sure everything looks good. Looks good. We're going to obviously move this text a little bit to the side, and we'll obviously show you how to change text in another video, but let's just keep changing some of these images. Why not while we're at it? That looks nice. Okay, and you can see how it updates there. That is the great thing about templates.